Hey guys, it's me Vinex, and a lot of you have been asking how I get my edits quality look so good. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve that high quality for your videos. First, let's jump into After Effects. Once you have finished your edit, just render it. I'm going to show you my specific render settings. Feel free to copy them. After that, we are heading over to Topaz. Once you have imported your clip, just follow along and copy the settings. Finally, we will bring clip back into After Effects for the color correction. If you don't have any good one, you can download a few of my personal CC from my Discord server.